February 6, 2014. I'm here in St. Paul, Minnesota, and I'm with a client here. We just finished a jury trial. We're waiting for the jury to come back from their deliberations with a verdict. But you've had a lawyer before, right?
I have.
And it wasn't me. And talk about a little bit about the differences that you have observed.
This lawyer came really highly recommended, and I mean, I even got the family and friends discount, but this lawyer met with me twice maybe, and I only saw him at the trial, and we didn't have a trial, sorry, I only saw him at the courthouse one time. He cut me loose as soon as possible. He just did not expend hardly any effort from what I could tell. Vastly, totally 180 degrees different from what I saw with you.
So what did you see with us?
Well, you guys were super prepared. You had done all your research. You knew the law. Also, and this was the most impressive, I guess, not to sound weird or whatever, but your performance at trial was phenomenal and super adept at at your game in there. It's not a game, I know that. At how you presented the facts, how you crossed and direct examined witnesses, and how you interfaced with the judge and the jury and the prosecutor and everybody. I was just blown away. Also, your attention to like the important details, and you kept revisiting those from different angles to hammer home their importance, so they weren't like left in the dust. So the details weren't buried by other details. And I thought it's all in the details. That was amazing. Sort of sounds weird, but you were really excited about going to trial, which is not if you're going to go to trial, I feel like that's the kind of person I want going to trial with me. So, any other questions, I guess?
No, thank you. We do get excited about going to trial, do a lot of trials, and don't charge clients more to go to trial because I don't want people making a decision whether to plead guilty or not based on economics. So, presenting a good case starts long before a case goes to trial with bringing the right kind of motions, getting some evidence kicked out if there's a violation by law enforcement in it, making sure we have the testimony we need locked in so that we can impeach people if they change their testimony later, which is what we did in this case. And knowing how to deal with different styles of witnesses, from one officer who seemed to be overreaching in his testimony and having to impeach him, versus another officer that was straightforward, and then pulling in not only what that officer did observe, but what he didn't observe. That adds to the story so that we can present a complete defense for the client, and then turning to our side of the case, presenting the right witnesses so that the jury has what they need to make an informed decision, tying it all together with a closing argument that tells a story and that a jury can understand the proper context as well as apply it to the law, knowing which parts are going to be important for their application to the law so that they can make the right decision. So I'm Ryan Pacyga. If you have more questions, you can find me at arrestedminnesota.com or at 612-339-5844. Did you have something else?
I did. Your lawyerly counsel or your advice the whole time was spot on and 100% accurate and just exactly what I needed. Thank you.
You bet. Happy to do it. Thank you.